alhamdulillah. We've come past to visit a lady that's blind with her kids. Her husband's very sick, he's pretty much on his deathbed. They live in this straw house that they've built. We're here giving them some food, and inshallah they're going to be part of the Chivi project. We're moving him into the Chivi project inshallah in the next couple of days in Haq Hash.
Inshallah, 2 days.
2 days inshallah they'll be moving in so someone can take care of him, because as I said before, she's blind and the husband's on her deathbed. So inshallah we're going to give the kids some food, and the next couple of days, mama, so the next couple of days inshallah we'll come and take him to the Chivi project, and they'll be the second people to move in inshallah. Jazakallah khairan. As you look around, you can see everything's straw here. It's a village with no electricity, a village that's